Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a smiling pumpkin. It's going to be simple, easy, completely for beginners. So let's get started, okay? I'm going to go over here and curve on one side. I'm going to go over here, pull a little curve as well. Another curve, another curve, another curve, another curve. And then let's do one more over here. We're going to pull down for that side. And I'm going to form a little bridge right here, a bunch of curves right there as well. Smile, side of the smile. Line across for that smile. Gonna go over here, down, underneath, up. Line out here, down, curve. Line out here, up, down. For the eye, you know, because he's like squinting his eyes as he smiles. Curve, line over here. Line up for the stem. Kind of a little bit of a zigzag here. I have like an ant on my arm here. That was really annoying. Sorry. By the way, don't forget, hit the subscribe button if you like learning how to draw Halloween stuff. I'm going to be posting stuff all season, okay? So if you subscribe and click the bell notification right now, you're going to see that stuff every now and then show up on your feed. You know, the front feed where there's like tons of pictures. You'll see like one, and it'll be like how to draw, you know, something Halloween related. Could be Jason Voorhees, could be this, it could be, you know, skulls, cool things from Halloween. Hit the subscribe, okay? Right now. Takes less than a second. There's no downside to it. And pull down there, okay? So I have a choice to make. I can make this darker, the inside darker. I'm going to make the inside darker for now, because normally you would put in a, you know, like a candle, and it's very lit up. But this one, I'm gonna do that, just for style's sake, because a lot of times we're drawing several different pumpkins, right? And you can figure that out through the playlist I have on this channel. Go check out the playlist, and it is, you know, how to draw a pumpkin, and there's a bazillion different ways on how to draw a pumpkin. So that's the cool part. There's a lot of different ways to do it. You can just kind of choose your own on that playlist. So I highly recommend you go check that out. I'm gonna put this one on there later as well. I'm trying to fill this in with this marker, and the marker's kind of dying out. That's why it's taken a little bit. Come on. Come on. There we go. And then lastly, I'm going to throw a little bit of lines over here in the stem. So line in here, line in here, line in here, line here, line here. Line, line. Line over here. All right, then. There you go. That is it. I would say if you really want to do something else, you can kind of get a little bit of a bolder line on the outside of everything, on the complete outer layer. You can just draw a little bit of a thicker line, just something a little bit extra. God, sorry, there's a fly around me. It's really annoying. You can see it. Oh my gosh, did you see that? But anyways, hopefully you're having a good day, and yeah. One last thing, go check out the sketchingeasy.com. That is a big, what's it called? sketchingeasy.com. It is the official website, so go take a look at that, okay? Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video. Happy Halloween. Later.
Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, you know, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, you know, long term. And I get that. That's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link. That gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy. And the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up, and you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent, and you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it.